All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol TNXP. And before I jump into this chart of Tonix Pharmaceuticals Hldg Corp, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to do that. That insight is definitely good for all investors, all friends, and all communities. That's what we're here for, so that we can learn and grow together. Let's make some money, right? Another thing too, down below in the description, I want you guys to be aware I'm posting a video that I'm talking about a series on how the Feds are going to continue to pump the market and the days that the pump are coming. So I want you guys to go ahead, check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you find that video worthwhile and informative, I definitely encourage you to subscribe so you can benefit from the weekly videos, how I'm going to post the days of the pumps as they come. And then we'll see how next month unravels if the Fed continues to pump. I'm definitely going to continue the series and so forth. So definitely check it out. I highly encourage you to see it and share it with your friends and community because you guys will be able to take advantage of the dates of these pumps. So let's go ahead and see how this stock reacted. All right. So the first thing is resistance level was broken through, right? And it brought itself to a new high of 245, and then it just tumbled down from there. To the point that the 50-day moving average and the stock price are like right next to each other. Very, very interesting. To the point where the closing price after market is the 50-day moving average. That is so interesting. So I want us to see the resistance level and the support level. The support level is pretty close to the stock price closing price, and the resistance level is the first moment, or actually the last moment, of this stock being strong and green, where the bulls had some chance here, and from that moment forward it started to fall. But I want us all to pay close attention to one thing. This stock had a very bullish run, and the highest point it's reached in the last couple of months is 246. So what does that mean for this stock? Well, 246 is the true point of rejection. That was the highest point this stock reached. It's the point that this stock has to break through and use that support so that the bulls can continue a bullish rally. So the bulls are going to have to break through this first resistance level that we're going to zoom in on. But the most important one, or no matter how many resistance levels they break through throughout the week, if they can't break through 246, there will be a concern for the bulls on how much more bullish could this chart be. Until that number is not broken, new higher resistance levels will not be able to be attained and tested. So definitely write that number down. That is a key point of this stock. It's the highest it's reached throughout this bullish run, and it's the point of rejection to the point where we're here at 150, and the 50-day moving average is 150. So the tug of war tomorrow morning is going to be significant. The impact that it's going to make on this stock will tell us everything, because I'm going to start down here with the support level, and the support level is 142. If the bears win this tug of war and tug it below the 50-day moving average, break through 142 and bring it down to this area, I'm not saying that they completely destroyed this chart, but they have gained control if they can keep it down there. Now, the bulls can take advantage of the price and bring this one back up, but the moment that it breaks through that support and it's down here, it's going to be a lot tougher for the bulls to bring it in an upward trend than the bears keeping it down there and fully controlling this one. So that's something to keep a close eye on. I'm not saying that the bears have completely won and destroyed the chart, but that is showing signs that they are gaining leverage. On the other hand, the first resistance level way before 246 is 204. If that resistance level can be broken by the bulls and they use that as support, new resistance levels can be tested and used as support and broken through. So that's going to be one of the main turnarounds on how the bulls are starting to gain the leverage again, but they're going to have to continue to work their way up. They'll bring this further away from the 50-day moving average, keeping it in a bullish area and on the bullish side of the chart, but does not mean that the bulls have completely gained control. But that could be a turnaround point if this is used as support to work its way up to newer levels. So I'd keep a very close eye on that as well. This is going to be a very interesting one for tomorrow. We'll see how it plays out. The tug of war is going to be big for sure tomorrow here because this ended with a very bearish run, but the bulls are going to try to reappear and the 50-day moving average is literally on the stock. So that's going to be the main point of why that is going to be something to pay close eye on. Very interesting, and we'll have to see how the tug of war goes between the bulls and the bears. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share with your friends and community. And don't forget to click on the link of the YouTube video on the description down below so you can benefit from the dates of the pump and the information that I share in that video. That if you find it worthwhile and you have not subscribed, I encourage you to, because I will be posting weekly videos on when the pumps will be. Thank you for watching.